Hi, I'm Jess. Welcome to our channel. You're watching this video right now. What if I told you that you can get paid for doing just that? Watching videos. Before we get to the site that pays you to watch videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below this video as well as the notification bell so that we can alert you when we upload videos just like this. Also, if you want our #1 recommendation to make money online, then click the first link in the description below after watching this video. Let's get into the content.
In today's video I'm going to be sharing a website with you that allows you to get paid for watching videos. All you really need is a phone or computer, an internet connection and a PayPal account. Yes, that's right, your money gets paid to your PayPal account. The website we're going to be looking at is earnably.com. Here is the home page on which you'll click on sign up and create an account. It's totally free and you don't need a unique set of skills to do this. You don't need to recruit anyone and you don't have to sell anything. Once you've logged in, you'll see this page where you'll find a few offers presented to you. From here you will click on Earn at the top and choose Videos. As you can see, there are other ways to make money through surveys, tasks, and testing apps, but for the purpose of this session, we'll just be looking at videos. Once you've clicked on Videos, you'll be presented with these options, any one of which you can choose. Once you've chosen, you'll get the various categories. Now you can start watching and watch your points go up, which you'll later convert into PayPal cash. You have to keep in mind that you'll be making pocket change when you're getting paid to watch videos. This is not going to significantly change your bank account, but if you want to see how to make a full-time income online, then click the first link in the description below. You'll get a platform that teaches you how to make a passive income online with step-by-step instructions.
We hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Also hit the bell so you'll be notified whenever we upload a video again. We'll see you on the next video.